Hi, I'm back with yet another CHR video, and in this episode we'll take a quick look at DigitalOcean. I know there's plenty of all kinds of VPS solutions out there, but I happen to have a DigitalOcean account, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get your MikroTik RouterOS CHR running in the cloud. I know that some other solutions require you to first install Ubuntu or some other Linux distribution, and then you must boot into recovery mode or something else. But at least in the it could be true for other systems as well. But in the case of DigitalOcean, it's very simple. So what you need to do is first have an account there, then download the MikroTik CHR image. Go to downloads. And in the CHR section, you must download the raw disk image. So let's download 7.7 stable. And once we have the image downloaded, we will extract it. So now we have the IMG file. In DigitalOcean, let's go to our, after you have logged in, let's go to the images section. And in the images section, go to custom images. Now click upload image. In the downloads section, here I have my IMG file, and here I can rename it. I can choose a distribution, it's unknown, doesn't matter. I will choose a region where I want it to be run and upload. Alright, our image has been uploaded. Now what we need to do is click more and start a droplet. In here, you can select the droplet type. I have basic, and here you can select CPU. You can use just the cheapest one, the smallest one, it doesn't really matter. Okay, here in the choose authentication method, you can select SSH key or password. Now, password is only for operating systems that have root as their standard username. In RouterOS, our standard username is admin. So if you try to set this up, DigitalOcean will complain that there is no such user, so it will not work. You must select an SSH key that you have already uploaded here, or click on new, paste your SSH key here, and then select it. But it will not be used, actually, so it doesn't really matter. You will be able to log in with admin and no password. So that's all there is to it. Yeah, now you can click create droplet. You can already copy the public IP address and immediately log in, don't delay this. And now provide a password quickly, because internet is full of all kinds of crazy people, and they will immediately try to enter your router if you leave it without the password too long. Now what I usually do is go to user, add a new username, group full, password. I will enter my password here, and now I can re-log in with my new username. Then I can remove my standard username. Then I can go to IP services. See, somebody is already trying to hack me. This is what happens if you leave your services open for too long. Quickly disable all services that you don't need. 5, 7, all of them. And set SSH port something different. This is only temporary. After this, you must do proper firewall configuration. It's crucial for any service that you put on the internet. So now we're back, and now we should be safe for a while until we do proper firewall configuration. So what are the next steps? Well, as with any CHR installation, you must go to system license and then decide what you want to do. So by default, you have a free license, which is limited to 1 megabit per second. It could be fine for you. I don't know. It depends on what you want to do with your CHR. But well, I suggest you request a trial for a level 1 or 10 license, and then you will no longer be limited to 1 megabit per second. And you can actually keep using the trial license as long as you want, as long as you don't want to upgrade your RouterOS. So that's an option too. Okay, I hope you find this useful and see you in the next videos. We have a whole series of CHR videos coming up. My colleague Druvis is preparing some interesting videos. And well, if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe. See you.